Here's an app called Muwi, a music widget, kind of vinyl music widget app. There are a bunch of apps in this category. The most popular one is called MD Vinyl app. And then, here you can just install it here, and then here you can just open up and then continue, and then you can just connect your music library. So probably you just need to log in through through Apple Music. I don't know if there is like a Spotify login, but then add my music widget on your screen, launch my music after starting playing songs from the player app. From the widget will update automatically. And yeah, that's also, you have just player here, and you just have this really cool kind of vintage cassette player. And then if you want to use some of those, you will need to upgrade, just $3 lifetime, and that's what it is. And then you can just basically install it like this, music. And then you can just add widget like this, and then you need to upgrade VIP to unlock more. Unfortunately. So that's what it is. Hope that's helpful.